Schooling came also to the movement's new recruits, this time in battlefield first aid. While the Liberation Front set to training its eager but very raw recruits, other social services moved in to consolidate the society around them. Medical attention was paid to Somali civilians, probably for the first time in their lives. For the first time in 30 years, Wader looked set for a return to settled community life. Ethiopian remains from the battle for Galbeed. After 3 days of bitter fighting, the township was freed on July 24, 1977. Galbeed was the final rift in the Ethiopian defense line across the Somali Ogaden. The Ethiopians had always treated their Somali subjects at best as third-class citizens or spies, at worst as subhuman. Now at last someone was treating them as people, with the same rights as everyone else. Swollen with new recruits, the liberators moved on from Galbeed to other still occupied zones. Aware, also in the Haud, was annexed by Ethiopia in 1922 after the defeat of the Somali national hero, Mohammed Abdullah Hassan, called by the British the Mad Mullah. When Aware was liberated, its Muslim Quranic schools were immediately reopened after long years of enforced closure under Ethiopia's Christian rule. Once again, in Aware, the people's delight in their newfound freedom is unmistakable. These dances are called danto, traditional Somali dances of joy. These young recruits were scarcely born when the last part of the Ogaden, the reserve area around Dagahpur, was handed to Ethiopia by post-war Britain. With that, the subdivision of Somali lands was complete, despite violent protest from their people. Men like Maktal Dahir, who saw it for what it was, the cynical betrayal of a people to the dictates of imperial policy. For 30 years, the Somalis of Darfur had had no schooling save in the Amharic of their rulers. Liberated on August the 1st, the people rallied eagerly to learn and rediscover their native tongue. The people of Dagabur, as of all the Ogaden, made a solemn pledge to carry the fighting forward and defend their hard-won freedom to the death.